Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla key battery. First, ensure you have the correct replacement battery, which is typically a CR2032 coin cell. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver to gently open the key fob casing. Having these essential items ready will make the process smooth and quick. Let's get started by preparing your workspace. To begin, locate the small indentation or slot on the side of your key fob, often near where the physical key is stored. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you will hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Work slowly to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. It should click securely into place. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle. If everything works correctly, you have successfully replaced your Toyota Corolla key battery. Great job, you're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.